Hi friends, welcome to Hyderabad Hub. We offer online and offline coaching for GMAT, GRE, SAT and IBPS tests. This lesson is going to be very useful in your preparation. Keep watching. Test of Divisibility. The test of divisibility is a shortcut rule that helps you determine whether an integer or dividend is exactly divisible by another integer or the divisor. For example, is 1347 exactly divisible by 11? Can 8 exactly divide 1755? Is 275 a multiple of 9? You could answer all these questions without performing the long division if you knew the rules of divisibility or the test of divisibility. I'm sure if you watch this video till the end, you will be able to quickly determine whether a number is exactly divisible by another number. Divisibility by 2. How would you determine whether a number is divisible by 2? A number is divisible by 2 if its units place has an even number, namely 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Look at the examples. 972 is divisible by 2 because this number has an even number 2 on its units place. Similarly, 894 is divisible by 2 because this number also has an even number, that is 4, on its units place. 536 is also divisible by 2. 198 is divisible by 2. 730 is also divisible by 2. Note, 0 is also an even number. Divisibility by 3. How would you know whether a number is divisible by 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3. Look at the examples. 42 is divisible by 3. The sum of the digits is 4 plus 2, 6. Since 6 is divisible by 3, the number 42 is also divisible by 3. Number 54. The sum of the digits is 5 plus 4, that is 9. Since 9 is divisible by 3, 54 is also divisible by 3. 723. The sum of the digits is 7 plus 2 plus 3. Since the sum of the digits, that is 12, is divisible by 3, the number 723 is also divisible by 3. 3591. The sum of the digits is 18. 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1 is equal to 18. Since 18 is divisible by 3, the number 3591 is also divisible by 3. Thus, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the given number is also divisible by 3. how would you know whether a number is divisible by 4? A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number are zeros, or if the last two digits of the number are divisible by 4. For example, 100 is divisible by 4 as the last two digits of the number are zeros. 100 is divisible by 4. Similarly, 712 is divisible by 4 as the last two digits of the number, namely 12, are divisible by 4. Similarly, 948 is divisible by 4 as the last two digits of the number, namely 48, are divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 5 or 0. For example, 175 is divisible by 5 as the unit digit of the number is 5. 865 is divisible by 5 as the unit digit of the number is 5. Similarly, 940 is divisible by 5 as the unit digit of the number is 0. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible both by 2 and by 3. It means to be divisible by 6, the number has to be an even number to be divisible by 2, and the sum of its digits has to be divisible by 3. For example, 474 is divisible by 6 as the unit digit of the number is even and the sum of the digits is 15, which is divisible by 3. Similarly, 510 is divisible by 6 as the unit digit of the number is even and the sum of the digits, that is 6, is divisible by 3. Similarly, 636 is divisible by 6 as the unit digit of the number is even and the sum of the digits, that is 15, is also divisible by 3. Thus, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and by 3. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits of the number are zeros or if the last three digits are divisible by 8. 1000 is divisible by 8 as the last three digits of the number are zeros. $2,568 is divisible by 8 as the last three digits of the number, namely 568, are divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. It is similar to the divisibility rule for 3. the number 765 is divisible by 9 because the sum of the digits 7 plus 6 plus 7, 7 plus 6 plus 5 is 18, which is divisible by 9. The number 8838 is divisible by 9 because the sum of the digits 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 3, that is 27, is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the odd digits and the sum of the even digits of the number is either 0 or a multiple of 11. What are odd digits? The odd digits of a number are the first digit, third digit, fifth digit, and so on. Even digits of a number are the second digit, fourth digit, sixth digit, and so on. For example, 1364 is divisible by 11. The sum of the even digits 3 plus 4 equals 7. The sum of the odd digits 1 plus 6 equals 7. The difference between them is 0. Hence, 1364 is divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the odd digits and the sum of the even digits of the number is either 0 or multiples of 11. Let us look at another number. 10,879 is divisible by 11. The sum of the odd digits is 1 plus 8 plus 9, that is 18. The sum of the even digits is 0 plus 7, that is 7. The difference between them is 11. So 11 is a multiple of 11. Hence, 10,879 is divisible by 11. Divisibility by 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible both by 3 and by 4. It means the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3 and the last two digits should be divisible by 4. Thus, the number has to meet two conditions to be divisible by 12. For example, 2832 is divisible by 12. As the sum of its digits is 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2, that is 15, the sum is divisible by 3. Also, the last two digits of the number, namely 32, is divisible by 4. This number is divisible by 4. Thus, the number 2832 is divisible by 12 since this number is divisible both by 3 and by 4. Divisibility by 25. A number is divisible by 25 if the last two digits of the number are 25, 50, 75 or two zeros. For example, 1025 is divisible by 25 because the last two digits are 25. 3950 is divisible by 25 because the last two digits are 50. 2175 is divisible by 25 because the last two digits are 75. 3800 is divisible by 25 because the last two digits are zeros. Thus, a number is divisible by 25 if the last two digits of the number are 25 or 50 or 75 or 2 zeros. These are the most important divisibility rules. Please subscribe to our channel. Press the notification bell to get informed about our upcoming videos. To watch all our videos, please see the description. If you need online or offline coaching for GMAT, GRE, SAT or IBPS tests, please write to us at info.hyderabadhub@gmail.com. Please call us at 844-855-7665. 844-855-7665. Thank you. Thanks for watching.